Hello everyone, my name is Thiago from Trackit. Today I'm going to show you guys the demo we built together with 12 Labs to generate video highlights of sports content. So first, let's take a look at our highlight architecture. So we have a video bucket where you input the videos you want. Then we have a Lambda that gets the videos from that bucket and send them to 12 Labs to index. The index process takes around 1 to 1, so if the video is 20 minutes, you have like 20 minutes of time to index it to 12 Labs. So once it's indexed, we get the data back and save it in a DynamoDB. And then the user can go ahead and, using another Lambda, get the video data and ask 12 Labs to generate the highlights. Once we have the highlight clips from 12 Labs, we send the original videos together with the clips to media convert and generate the highlight video. So we have both the code for the lambdas, and everything we built is also using Terraform, so it's easily made to be launched on AWS environment, so you can easily launch yourself. We have the original videos here on this bucket for 12 Labs input. So these videos are limited by 12 Labs of up to 20 minutes. So we make cuts to the video. This is around the last 20 minutes of the match. This is like our Lambda functions. So we have the function to import to S3 and the function to generate the highlights. In the function right now, we are passing the code here, the prompt we want to generate the video. And this is the bucket where the video would come down. So for example, in this prompt, we generate highlights from the video, and I want just to focus on the attempts ago. For each highlight, start 10 seconds before the attempt and show the celebration if the highlights ago. So we send it to media convert, and after some time, we get the video output, which is right here. And this is the ID from the job. Thank you so much, and that's it for the demo.